Hi children, welcome back to the Max class. So today I'm here again back to my videos to take a new topic. Actually it is hard for you, but even then let us make it and learn it easily. Okay children? Yes, they are none other than conversions. They are none other than conversions. So conversions. Many of you are really afraid of conversions. I know that. But you know, right from our childhood, we start with the conversions. Converting rupees, converting pies. So like that, everything. Converting weeks to days and all. But as you grow higher and higher, we have a specific methodology to learn according to the objects. That is, we segregate completely each and every object into three categories. One is in their lengthwise. So, measuring them according to their length is one of the main thing, and measuring according to their weight is the second thing, and measuring according to their capacity is the last thing. So each and every object which you see around you is actually categorized in these three ways, into these three classifications. Okay, suppose you may ask me, how can you categorize that? Suppose if I take a bottle of water, I will categorize into capacity. Why? Because the capacity of the water bottle is 1 liter or 2 liters or something. So it is measured according to its capacity. Okay, suppose if I take any examples of rice bags. Suppose you take rice bags, you commit it will come under weight. Why? Because you tell it in cages. You weigh it in cages. Yes, and suppose if you take any other cloth, suppose if you want to take, I want 1 meter of cloth. 1 meter of the cloth is what? The measure, the length. Okay, so many of the objects like we take it into length. Yes, how to do conversions in these three categories? That is what makes you very, very hectic. But let me make it easy for you and let me tell you. There are many standard and basic units actually around. Yes or no? Yes, but still there are some basic units. In length, we have our basic unit as meters. We have our basic unit as meters. Okay, and in weight, we have the basic unit as grams. Okay, we have it as grams. And in capacity, we have it as liters. We have it as liters. Yes. So let us first analyze the things. See, there are many, like so many weights will be, because you will be hearing kgs, kilometers, so many things. Suppose if you take weight, we don't have a last unit. We don't have it as an extreme. See, suppose if you take in weight, we have the least one as milligrams. We have the least one as milligrams. But you may ask me, is that the last one? No, there are something still more which is weighable than milligrams. Okay, previously milligrams were not there. So suppose if we take, we are able to hear kgs. So is that the kgs the highest? No, there is still more weight. They will be weighting in tons. See, you hear that word tons of so much is coming. So in that way, it is but according to the conversions of the schools, like according to the school, we have certain things. So according to that things, let me explain you regarding some things. See, suppose if you take in length, let me explain you the table very neatly. The highest what we will be learning as far as our surroundings is kilometers. What is it? Kilometers, hectometers, decameters, meter, decimeter, centimeter, and millimeter. So these form a table for you in order to make you easy for the conversions. All of you along with me. Once again, kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter and millimeter. So this is how you These are arranged in a descending order because out of all this, kilometer is the highest. So descending order, gradually coming down. Okay, in this way. Now in the same way, how we will know about the weights and capacities? Similar order, kilometer you wrote here. So write it here. Kilogram, hectogram, decagram, gram, decigram, centigram, milligram. So this is how, see, the table is similar for length. That means if you learn one conversion properly, you can manage the other very nicely. Okay, similar way now, come on. I hope you all understood. Now you will tell me the capacity. Come on, tell us the capacity. Kiloliter, hectoliter, decaliter, liter, deciliter, centiliter, milliliter. So, in this way, see, very easy, no? You understood one and you are able to write the tables for the other two remaining also on your own. Yes, so if you know the table perfectly, it is really very easy for you to understand. Okay, how is it easy for you to understand? Let me explain. Now, suppose if you want to convert anything from 5 kilometers is equals to dash dm, that means decimeters. That means decimeters, yes or no? Decimeters. But how is it possible to convert this one? Now what we are doing? We are converting from a higher, from a higher. First you draw an arrow. From where to where? Kilometers to decimeters. Kilometers to decimeters. So from a higher unit to a lower unit you are coming. When you are coming from a higher unit to a lower unit, you should multiply. Only you remember is, as soon as you see the arrow from up to down, you write the multiplication symbol. From up to down. Then from down to up, you write the division symbol. Okay. So from up to down, you write multiplication symbol. Now, see how many jumps you are taking. Kilometer to meter. It's kilometer to hectometer, hectometer to decameter, decameter to meter, meter to decimeter. Okay. So start counting your jumps. 1, 2. Don't count this one, children. From here to the next one becomes 1. So from here 1, 2, 3, 4. So write 1 and write 4 zeros at the side of that one. With what you should multiply? With the 10,000 you should multiply. What with 10,000 you should multiply? How many are given? 5 kilometers. So that 5 will be multiplied with that and you write 50,000 decimeters. 50,000 decimeters. Okay. If in a similar case, if we are going with from a lower unit to higher unit, let me explain with one more good example from down to up. Suppose if I write 500 centimeters to hectometers. 500 centimeters. So draw the line from which to which? Centimeters to hectometers. Centimeters to hectometers. Okay. So from there to there. Now down to up. So what you should do? Divide. Divide. With what you should divide? With what you should divide from here? Again start from down to up. You should start from where the arrows start here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1. Write 4 zeros and write 500 which is given for you here. So 500 divided by 1000. So usually for conversions you should know, children, that if any number is divided with the tens, thousands, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 like that. First write the numerator. Write the numerator. Count how many zeros are there in the denominator. 1, 2, 3, 4. As 4 zeros are there, let me start counting from here. 1, 2, 3. no fourth, so write 0.0 hectometers. I hope you understood, children. Yes, children? Yes. Okay, so 0.0500 hectometers. So this is how you convert from kilometers to decimeter, or from anything you remember. From a higher unit to a lower unit, you will multiply. Turn to see how many jumps you are making, so that will indicate you with what you should multiply. Either with 10, if you take one jump with 10, if you take two jumps with 100, if you take three jumps with 1000, like that. So see that if you are converting from a lower unit to a higher unit, from a smaller unit to a higher unit, that means from down to up. Okay, then you should divide with the same thing. Count the number of jumps from down to up, how many are there, and see. So a very, very important thing to learn for conversions is you should know how to multiply, like any number, even whether it is a normal number or a decimal number or whatever it is, or a fraction or whatever it is. You should know how to multiply the number with tens, hundreds, thousands, or how to divide it with tens, hundreds, thousands. Okay, so see that you are learning it properly, like how to multiply with tens. You can watch my previous videos which are there for decimals, multiplication with tens, hundreds, thousands, or division with tens, hundreds, thousands. That will indicate you, it will help you to make your decimal point correct. Okay, children? So I hope you understood this. And usually don't write it like this, you can write it in shortcut. Kilometers, hectometers, decameters, DA, children. DA means decameters, meters, decimeters, only DM we will write. DM, decimeters, and then centimeters. Okay, we will write it in the shortcut. See, kilometers, hectometers, decameters, meters, decimeters, centimeters, and millimeters. So this is how you write. These are the shortcut terms to be written for length. Not only this, even that also you write kg, hg, dag, g, dg, cg, mg. So this is how. So hope by looking at this table and by memorizing this table for number of times, you can do the conversions very easily. But before you memorize this one, learn how to multiply any number with tens, hundreds, thousands, and how to divide it with tens, hundreds, thousands. Is that clear, all of you? Thank you for watching. Please share, like and subscribe, and please comment me in my comment section whatever topic you require from class 1 to class 12 till intermediate. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and don't forget to like it. Thank you.